Nottingham College is a big college between 7 to 10 sites. This particular site house about 3,500 students. So, you can see the importance of having a focal point for the people coming in and out of this building. I think on a given day, we could have about 200 staff walking in and out of that as well, and community people. So getting our vision across, getting our message across, getting our information across, or showcasing what wonderful things students have done, it really is a value point of communicating effectively. So one of the biggest things for Nottingham College is we want to be very inclusive in everything we do. Be it the teaching room, be it the open space like here with big LED screens, or the back-end office with monitors. The ViewSonic quality, crisp quality for the visual is absolutely amazing. And the audio solution for the back of that absolutely complements that. They have a really good holistic suite, which not only just work, but the back-end management system, all of that together really was a key decision of choosing ViewSonic. So having chosen ViewSonic, our next really big challenge was, integration of the solution in our teaching rooms or the big open spaces. So this is where GVAV came in very, very handy. They are one of the largest UK AV integrators, and the kind of quality they produce on the design work or the implementation work or after service is absolutely amazing. So Nottingham College couldn't have produced what we have done without the input of GVAV and the ViewSonic.
We've worked with Nottingham College now for nearly 4 years, and we've introduced a lot of ViewSonic's technology within their facilities. We was given the golden opportunity to work in their flagship area, which is the atrium. There was a lot of discussions put forward on it, but the atrium itself is lovely, aesthetically pleasing, and we wanted to make that more of a multiple use area. ViewSonic's products have now evolved into video walls, hence why we moved within the LDS 135 video wall system. Is 135 inches. With that size, it immensely gives an impact to the audience, so everybody can really see it from far distances. The other things that we've done with the area as well, we've put 65-inch portrait screens down the columns with different types of digital signage, as well as the main display on the signage. The other applications for the video wall is for open days, presentations, awards events.
We work very closely with our community, and you might see on our digital feed as well, we're just not talking about how brilliant our students are, what kind of projects they're bringing in. We also talk about what else is happening out in Nottinghamshire. We can bring in the feed from the news feed or the travel feed, making their day-to-day life quite easy.
From an installation point of view, the ViewSonic screen is a seamless video wall. It's an all-in-one package, so everything comes with the video wall, such as the mounting brackets, removal tools, and all the other accessories to get it working. The best thing that sold us on the product really, as well as the quality of the screen, was the power. It's only on a single socket with a 16 amp. It wasn't a very hard thing to fit compared to our other brands that we've fitted in the past.
So Nottingham College is a perfect example of how our ecosystem enhances experiences for teachers, students and IT.
The ViewSonic screens have really made an impact within the atrium, which was already aesthetically pleasing.
Students have received this place very well. It's kind of given them a sense of belonging, especially in a big atrium space like this.
In a world where technology drives innovation, ViewSonic is leading the way with a complete ecosystem designed to empower educators and IT professionals. Whether it's transforming learning spaces, delivering immersive digital experiences, or enabling seamless device management, we've got you covered.